Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about the new mythical epic that is in the game. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so we are just going to go ahead and watch this video. I don't know what this pet is called. Let me see for a second. Okay, so it is called Aquadile, and let's watch the video now. End the video for that, but let's see. Not sure why it's showing me that. Okay, my membership ran out, but I don't really care. Okay, so here it is at the bottom of the pet book. It's not yet blowing up for some reason. I'm guessing that the next mythical epic is going to be Eclipse, but we're not going to worry about that right now. So what I'm going to do is go on to my hacked account. Guys, don't hack Prodigy. And okay, actually we might not have to hack here. Let's see if we can see Aquadile. Okay, so we got it. Let's see what it looks like. Aquadile. Aquadile's natural magic ability is boosted by the Warden pendant it wears, allowing it to cast strong water spells to generate water or even control the water around itself. So it looks really cool in my opinion. So here we are with the new pet, guys. Again, don't hack Prodigy, but this thing looks insane when you're walking with it. Really cool. And yeah, we are going to be doing a battle with this. So yeah, let's just battle this puck. Okay, here we are. We have Aquadile on, and let's use Torrent. That has 4 size. And let's see what this animation looks like. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Very cool. Okay, so they miss, meaning that we are going to win. Let's go ahead and use down portal right here, just because why not? And yeah, I guess that's pretty much going to wrap up the video. I'm not going to try and do too many battles with it. I guess I will do one more, just because. And yeah, I'll see you in the next battle. Okay, so there's a battle crash, and we aren't. So I guess we're not going to do another battle. I'm just going to go back on my main account and finish the video. Okay, so that's pretty much going to end up this video. As I said, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 by, I guess, the end of May, because that's when I started to first get big, and I want to be able to get like 1,000 subscribers in a year. Join my Discord, that's in the description, and bye.